Hello everyone! So the question here is kung magbabdos or maburos na ba ka this year. And this year is, the next 365 days. So until May 2026, okay? So this is pile number 1, this is pile number 2, pile number 3. Pause if you need more time. If it doesn't resonate, please do not take the message. And for paid personal readings, check the description box below. Diyan nyo ako makukontak. Okay? So, let's see. Mamboros na baka sa next 365 days. If most of the cards are upright, it's a yes. If it's reversed, it's a no. So, it's a no, a yes, and a no. So, no daw. High Priestess is also about sexual prowess. So maybe you need to bring back the spark, or at least yung parang hindi na siya routine. Like making a baby is almost a routine, parang wag na lang. You really have to feel excited doing it. Four of Cups here is an indication na you really have to set a standard. Hindi yung gusto na akong magbabdos, himo na to, murag nga na bitaw, murag if wala ang gana, murag dili siya mag-work, especially if Two of Cups reversed, murag kapuya na po di mong partner. So what you need to focus on, Hermit, prayers. Four of Swords reversed, murag ikuan nimo tanang strategies unsaon nga makabuo. Not just medically, pwede pod spiritually, or pwede pod ang kanang bitaw kanang mindset na change. Like maybe you're focusing too much on work, then ang stress madala ra sa balay, manang wala na gana, pero okay. Tower reverse is you really have to let go of issues from the past. Let's say before nalaglag ang bata or nakuhaan ka. Tower reverse is stop thinking about it. Huma naman to. Try otro. Pero kung ang imong mindset man good is basin malaglag otro, basin makuhaan na pug ko, o di ma-manifest nimo. Try doing it in a different place. Dili kay kanang murara bitag routine nga pag uli ikan work before matulog or after dinner ingana. Kanang maybe I don't know. Try going sa beach, na private beach maybe. O kanang kuan under the waterfalls. Murag ingana ba, murag somewhere more exciting, or book mo hotel somewhere. Basta dili lang sa balay nga kanang mura bitag boring nga kayo nga murag turtol na nga every uli around 9 PM nga na. Then next day maligo, mamahaw, manarbaho, pag uli magkaon afterwards mauna pod, murag boring gani. Try to bring back the spark. Travel if you must. Okay? Now let's proceed kay number 2. Kung magmabdos sa baka in the next 365 days. This is a yes. This is a yes. And okay, so it's more like a yes. Murag kugi man mo. So either makabuo or naana, pero more like makabuo around September, October, November ang Pentacles man god. So make sure nga tawag ani ang Three of Pentacles is coordination with the third person. So I'm sensing maybe the doctor, the OBGYN. So try your best na if nakabuo September, October, November, bisan pa siguro kanang tawag ani the Devil card is something na holds you back, nga dili ka free, bondage ang Devil card. So maybe you were ang Devil card nimo siguro is okay na ni, wala man ni, wa may kuan, normal man akong niagi nga panganak, o parang wala man po ko'y sakit sa murag okay na. Three of Pentacles is the lack of coordination with the third person, nga basig mo hinungdan nga tawag ani kanang magka-problem bitaw. So ang akong gakasend sa imuha number 2 nga devil card nimo is imong katapulan mo adtog OBGYN. Like, ay, uy, okay man akong last nga panganak, o parang, man ko sakit, okay man itong pagkuan ako, wala may issue. Ipa-prenatal yun, just to make sure. And, na ay important nga, tawag ani, advice si Doctor, King of Swords is also a doctor. Someone, pro sa ilahang line of career. Ten of Pentacles, maybe there is something, maybe you were thinking kanang confident ka nga mo last iyang effect nga mura, I don't know if this is a vitamin or a supplement nga okay ra kay tawag ani, it's not going to do anything about the pregnancy, pero you really have to ask the doctor first kay basin premature ang baby. Ten of Pentacles man god is mo last ang advantage sa usa ka butang, sa usa ka situation, sa usa ka person. In reverse, you thought everything's good, then all of a sudden lugmok. So try your best to coordinate with your doctors, have second or third opinion if you must. And if you're going to do that, malikayan ninyo ang kuan ani, ang tawagan ni fallout. Murag, if dili mo maki-coordinate sa doctor, there's a big possibility something will not last, maybe premature ang baby or whatsoever, na problem ang baby, kaya wala man mo nag consistently consult sa doctor. Two of Cups is like, magbinasula na bitaw, ikaw manggod kay ingani. Or pwede po, let's say for example, na igiingon ang doctor nga, kanang, after ani nga specific nga months bawal na mo mag-sex, dili na pwede. Pero devil card is also like pwede pa mangguro na gani. So you really have to consult your doctor about something once makabuo na, just to make sure. Okay, anyway, that's all I'm seeing here. Let's proceed kay number 3. If magmabdos ba ka sa next 365 days? Oh, it's a no. Totally no. Murag, kuha siya. Nakoy duda nga na ay evil eye ani. Kay 5 of Swords reversed man. Knight of Swords in reversed. Knight of Pentacles in reversed. Then, King of Wands. Murag ang lalaki ani. Evil eye. So if you're a woman watching this, then mura galisod ka o buo bitaw conceive. There's possibility nga someone's maybe imong bana, imong partner ay someone from his past nga gi-evil eye siya nga di pa unta ka mga anak, especially if na siya anak from someone then wala siya nag-provide. Knight of Swords in reverse is vindictive. Tapos, 9 of Pentacles in reverse is, i-share nimo imong money. Pag 9 of Pentacles upright, this is, you worked hard for your money, you travel, you buy the things that you like, you enjoy it yourself. That's why 9 of Pentacles is the bachelorette card. In reverse, you're supposed to provide for someone, you're supposed to share your resources with someone. Tapos Knight of Swords in reverse is na makak. So try to, if you're a woman, try to check with your husband na ba kay anak sa lain wala ni mong gi-provide og sustento. If you're the guy watching this, look back. Basi na kay anak nga kuan from someone nga kuan medyo barangers ang mama or parente. Ay kabala ka. Di lagi na siya makaanak sa lain unless mag-provide siya aning bata sa imo. So, that could be the possibility. I do not, read about witchcraft naturally, pero if it surfaces on the cards, or if it's the message, I'm bound to relay the message. So in this case, if babae ka, then medyo palautong imong pares o pangut katawa ko. Oh, palautog ang pares o pangutan na ba siya kay anak dito, ani mo ka na niya muning di tagpakaanak pod kay sige ko anak ka nanay dagom na imong kuan dito, imong manika dito. Okay, anyway, that's all I'm seeing here. And yeah, for paid personal readings, check the description box below. That'll be all. Bye.